In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel NordVPN subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and how to make sure auto-renewal is fully turned off so you won't be charged again. First, open your browser and go to the Nord account dashboard. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. This is the central place where Nord manages your plan, billing details, and any add-ons, so everything you need for cancellation is right here. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the page and click Billing. This takes you to your billing area where you can see your active plan, payment method, and renewal settings. If you have multiple Nord products, you'll see them listed here. Make sure you're looking at the subscription you actually want to manage. On the billing page, find the section labeled My Subscriptions and locate the auto renewal entry for your active plan. This setting controls whether NordVPN renews your subscription automatically at the end of your current term. It's important to understand that turning this off stops future renewals, but it does not immediately end your current access. Next, click Cancel next to Auto Renewal. You're not deleting your account or removing your current plan right away. You're simply stopping the automatic charge that would happen on your next renewal date. This is the safest way to make sure you keep the time you've already paid for while preventing another cycle from starting. You'll be taken to a confirmation screen. To finish, click Cancel Auto Renewal. Depending on your screen, you might see a prompt asking for feedback or showing an exclusive offer. Just continue with cancellation if you're sure. After confirming, look for an on-screen message indicating that auto renewal has been disabled. You should also receive a confirmation email. It's a good idea to check the new expiration date displayed on your subscription so you know exactly how long you'll retain access. A few quick tips to wrap up. Canceling auto renewal prevents future charges, and your current subscription remains active until it expires. If you change your mind before that date, you can usually re-enable auto-renewal from the same billing area. To avoid last-minute renewals, consider canceling a few days before your billing date. For your records, you can note the expiration date or take a quick screenshot of the confirmation. And if you're on a shared device, remember to sign out of your account when you're done. That's it. Your NordVPN auto-renewal is now canceled.